In this video, we're going to talk about fonts that Cricut has that has shadow fonts. Unfortunately, inside Cricut Design Space, you're not able to add a shadow effect to text that you'd have on your system that you download. So typically, the only fonts that do have shadows are a select few from the Cricut library here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm just going to go ahead and type some text on here. Okay, and then up here where we can choose a font, if you remember, we do have a filter. So obviously I told you that Cricut is the only one here that has multiple layers. You can see where it says multi-layer cutting, but then again you can always use the filter, and choose multi-layer to only show those that do have one. So let's go ahead and choose it. How do we have access to it? Because right now I just see the top layer. Well, if you take a look at your layers panel, you do have the eyeball, and you can see that it does have the shadow background anyway. So that just depends upon what font you have. Depends upon what the shadow actually looks like. So if I choose this, okay, now we have to turn on the shadow, and you can see that it does have a little shadow effect. So that is how you can find text that does have shadow, and how you can enable it using the layers menu over here.